Welcome to today's video where we dive into the top 10 most fascinating facts about human evolution. Now, human evolution isn't about turning monkeys into men, it's a complex, multifaceted journey spanning millions of years. It's about understanding where we've come from, tracing our roots back to our earliest ancestors, the hominids. It's a story of survival, adaptation, and innovation. It's about how we've developed distinct traits like walking on two legs, growing larger brains, creating tools, developing language, and so much more. By understanding our evolutionary journey, we can appreciate the resilience and ingenuity of the human species. We can celebrate our uniqueness while acknowledging our shared heritage with all life on Earth. So join us as we delve into the deep past, explore the twists and turns of our evolutionary path, and appreciate the wonder of who we are. So buckle up as we embark on this fascinating journey through our past. Starting our countdown, at number 10 is the timeline of human evolution. Our journey begins around 6 million years ago with the divergence of humans and chimpanzees, our closest living relatives. The first humanoids, the Australopithecus, emerged around 4 million years ago, characterized by their upright stance. Fast forward to 2 million years ago, we encounter the Homo habilis, our ancestors who started using tools. The Homo erectus, advanced tool users, and the first to leave Africa, appeared around 1.9 million years ago. The Neanderthals, our closest extinct human relatives, thrived around 400,000 years ago. And finally, Homo sapiens, that's us, came into existence about 200,000 years ago. This fascinating timeline is not a linear progression but a complex web of species, overlapping and intermingling. The timeline of human evolution is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of our species. Coming in at number 9 is the development of bipedalism. Now let's take a leap back in time and imagine our distant ancestors. Picture them scampering around on all fours, much like our primate cousins. But here's where things took an exciting turn. Over time, our predecessors started to stand upright and walk on 2 feet, a trait known as bipedalism. This transition wasn't a spur-of-the-moment decision. It was a gradual shift over millions of years, spurred by a mix of environmental changes and survival needs. Bipedalism offered several advantages. It freed up our hands for carrying food and using tools, improved our field of view, and helped us regulate body temperature more efficiently. Bipedalism also had a significant impact on our anatomy. Our spines curved into an S shape, our pelvises became shorter and broader, and our legs lengthened and straightened. All these changes culminated in a new way of moving that defined us as humans. Bipedalism was a game changer, setting the stage for further evolution. At number 8, we have the increase in brain size. Now this is something truly extraordinary. Over the course of human evolution, our ancestors' brains tripled in size. Imagine that. From a mere 400 cubic centimeters in early hominids to a staggering 1,400 cubic centimeters in modern humans. But what does this increase mean? It's not just about size, it's about capability. A larger brain allowed for the development of advanced cognitive functions. This means problem solving, abstract thinking, and the ability to learn and adapt. Traits that define us as humans. It's like moving from a basic calculator to a high-end supercomputer. The additional brainpower unlocked a world of possibilities, from creating complex tools and developing language to building societies. This isn't just about us being smart, it's about us being human. Evolution took us from simple survival to complex thought, and our brain size played a significant role in that journey. This increase in brain size truly sets us apart from other species. Number 7 on our list is the use of tools. This is a remarkable chapter in our evolutionary story, one that sets us apart from other species. The use of tools didn't just happen overnight, it was a gradual process that started with our ancestors picking up rocks and sticks to help them with everyday tasks. Over time, these rudimentary tools evolved into more complex and specialized ones, facilitating hunting, gathering, and eventually, farming. These tools didn't just change the way our ancestors lived, they fundamentally changed us as a species. The use of tools required a higher level of cognitive functioning, which in turn led to an increase in our brain size. This increase in brain size allowed us to develop even more sophisticated tools, creating a positive feedback loop that propelled us forward in our evolutionary journey. The use of tools was a significant leap in our evolutionary journey. It laid the groundwork for everything we've achieved as a species, from building civilizations to landing on the moon. Halfway through our list, at number 6, is the development of language. This fascinating aspect of human evolution is, in many ways, the cornerstone of our species' success. Emerging around 100,000 years ago, language gave our ancestors a new way to express complex thoughts and ideas. Language is more than just a system of communication, though. It's a tool that allows us to share knowledge, to teach, to learn, and to build and maintain social bonds. It's the very fabric that weaves together our societies, cultures, and civilizations. The development of language also played a crucial role in the human brain's evolution. It led to the expansion of certain brain regions, enhancing our cognitive abilities and paving the way for the creation of art, science, religion, and philosophy. Language was a revolutionary development, enabling complex communication and societal structures. It is, without a doubt, one of the most defining traits of our species. At number 6, we have dietary changes. As humans evolved, so did our diets, marking significant milestones in our evolutionary journey. Starting with the early hominids, our ancestors primarily relied on a plant-based diet. However, as they began to walk upright, their dietary habits shifted. Around 2 million years ago, the incorporation of meat into our ancestors' diet marked a major turning point. This protein-rich diet not only provided the necessary energy for survival, but also contributed to the growth of our brains. The use of tools further diversified our dietary choices, enabling early humans to cook food, which made digestion easier and nutrients more accessible. By the time agriculture was introduced, around 10,000 years ago, our diet had evolved to include grains and dairy products. This shift to a more settled lifestyle allowed for population growth and the development of complex societies. Our ancestors' shift in diet played a crucial role in our evolution. Number 4 on our list is the extension of the human lifespan. This fascinating aspect of human evolution has seen us go from having an average lifespan of just 20 to 30 years in the Paleolithic era, to living well into our 80s today. How did this happen, you may wonder? Well, it's a combination of factors. The development and application of medical science, improved sanitation, and better nutrition have all played significant roles in extending our lives. But evolution also plays its part. As humans developed more complex societies and learned to manipulate their surroundings, they were able to create safer environments, reducing exposure to life-threatening dangers. This allowed individuals to live long enough to pass on their genes to multiple generations, which in turn promoted the evolution of longer lifespans. The extension of our lifespan is a remarkable achievement of human evolution. It's a testament to our species' adaptability, resilience, and ceaseless drive for improvement. Coming in at number 3 is the evolution of skin color. The vast array of skin tones we see in humans today isn't a mere coincidence or a simple matter of aesthetic diversity. It's a direct result of our ancient ancestors' adaptation to their environment. Let's delve into this fascinating tale of human evolution. Our ancestors, originally from Africa, had dark skin, which is rich in the pigment melanin. Melanin acted as a natural sunscreen, protecting them from the harsh ultraviolet radiation of the sun, while also preserving essential nutrients like folate. As groups of humans started migrating out of Africa and spreading across the globe, they encountered varied environments. In regions with less sunlight, having dark skin was less advantageous. Here, evolution favored lighter skin tones, which allowed for more efficient synthesis of vitamin D, crucial for bone health and immune function. This dance between sun exposure, vitamin D synthesis, and skin color, driven by natural selection, resulted in the beautiful spectrum of skin tones we see today. The diversity of skin color is a testament to our species' adaptability. At number 2, we delve into the human genome. The human genome, that vast repository of genetic information, is a key player in our story of evolution. Picture it as a library of life, if you will, where each book represents a gene and each letter, a base pair. With over 3 billion base pairs and approximately 25,000 genes, our library is quite extensive. The genome not only dictates the color of our eyes, the texture of our hair, and the shape of our noses, but it also holds the blueprints of our evolutionary past. It's a record of our ancestors' triumphs and trials, of adaptations and survival strategies. It's a testament to our journey from the heart of the African savanna to every corner of the globe. The human genome, then, is not just about who we are now, it's a chronicle of where we've been, how we've changed, and even hints at where we might be going. The human genome is like a time capsule, preserving the secrets of our evolutionary past. At the top of our list, at number 1, is the fact that human evolution is ongoing. Yes, you heard it right. Evolution is not a closed chapter in the book of human history. It's a process that continues to shape us, even as we speak. While we might not sprout wings or develop telepathic abilities anytime soon, subtle changes are happening all the time. For instance, some scientists point to our jaws getting smaller due to our shift to softer, cooked foods. Others suggest that our brains might be shrinking, not because we're becoming less intelligent, but perhaps because smaller brains are more efficient. We're also witnessing a rise in people born without wisdom teeth. This could be nature's way of adapting to our smaller jaws. And who knows what other changes are silently occurring within us, waiting to be discovered. So, as we continue to adapt and evolve, we are literally living proof of our own evolutionary history. Remember, evolution isn't just history, it's happening right now. And there you have it, the top 10 most fascinating facts about human evolution. We've journeyed through time, tracing back our roots and understanding how we as humans have evolved. From the surprising timeline of human evolution, the advent of bipedalism that set us apart, to the expansion of our brain size which fueled our intelligence, we've seen how the use of tools not only shaped our world but also us, and how the development of language amplified our ability to share knowledge. We've explored the drastic dietary changes we underwent, the extension of our lifespan, and the evolution of our skin color. We dove into the complexity of the human genome and pondered on the idea that human evolution is an ongoing process. Now we'd love to hear from you. Which fact did you find the most fascinating and why? Share your thoughts in the comments below.